Hey friends, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're going to do a styling video. I'm wearing Jon Renau Ignite in the color Shaded Sun, and we are going to style her up in many different ways. I'm here to give you encouragement on your wig wearing journey. If you're struggling with wig wearing, styling your wigs can help more than you could ever imagine. Short wigs especially are super fun to style. So we're going to use some styling products. We're going to use some styling tools, accessories, and I'm going to show you what you can do. Let's get going. In this video, I'm going to give you some examples of styling products and styling accessories that I think are pretty much must-haves for wig wearers, depending on how you like to wear your wigs. They can help with the wig wearing journey so very much. The first product I'm going to show you, and by the way, this is Jon Renau Ignite in Shaded Sun. I have a review of this piece on YouTube. I will make sure it's linked below if you want to know more about my all-time favorite short style. First product I'm going to show is wig wax. I've reviewed wig wax before. It's by Tressalure, and I have been wearing wigs for almost 5 years, and I have tried so many different products on my wigs for styling, and I just don't find a lot of spray product to work very well with wigs, especially like hairspray type products. They just don't hold on synthetic fibers the way that we would like hairspray to do, except for wig wax. Let's just say you have a wig and you need to get some lift in the front. If it's a super bad face flopper, like it's hanging in your face and no matter what you do, you can't get it out of your face, you may need something stronger than this. But if it's fairly good, but you want a little bit more lift, just watch what this stuff does. So I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna spray some here. Depending on how much style help you need, how much lift, will depend on how much of this you use. But, I mean, kind of let it dry and it's going to give you lift, it's going to hold. And the thing I love most about it is it doesn't gum up your wigs. It doesn't like coat the fibers in a way that makes them sticky and clumpy and stiff. It is a wonderful product. I use wig wax all the time for, holding a style, getting some lift. If I get the wig kind of situated where I want it and I don't want it to go anywhere, I use wig wax and I love it. It's such a great one. I think this is well worth the money to purchase if you style your wigs. The next product is Jon Renau Peace Out Cream. This is old. Their tub is black now. I've had this one for almost 5 years. This stuff lasts forever. Be careful with this one though, because it really will gum up your wigs, but it is so perfect for styling short wigs. Just a little bit goes a very long way, and you can stick it in your short wigs and kind of piece them out and get them really messy. You can really arrange those fibers with Peace Out Cream. It is wonderful. I wouldn't recommend using a lot. I wouldn't recommend using it very much on long wigs because, like I said, it really does coat those fibers. Another great use for it though is flyaways. If you are dealing with flyaways on your wigs and you've got hair just sticking up all over the place, just a little bit of Peace Out Cream will really help those flyaways and can help you achieve a smoother look as well. So I really think Peace Out Cream, these two are a dynamic duo and I love them both. I'll make sure things are linked in the description as well as my full reviews of products below. Now let's get on to accessories. Headbands are one of my all-time favorite accessories and I own a ton of them. I think they can change up any look, and if you're struggling with there being too much poof on your wigs, a headband can make all the difference. You don't even have to do much with the styling of it. You can just throw the headband on and then do some strategic tucking. And look at how much that reduced any volume or poof on the top. You can even tuck it all for a super sleek, cool look that will hold all day. So if you're struggling right now with wigs and every time you put a wig on your head, you feel as though it is too poofy for you, headbands can be such a great option. And if you have a lace front, you can just play. I'm gonna hold it down here so I can get some of this hair back. You can just sort of play with the front. You can get the hair back off the front, throw on a headband, get some volume in the back or not. Look in the mirror back here. However you want, but headbands can make such a huge difference. Long wigs, short wigs, it doesn't matter. I highly recommend headbands to help you with styling. And another of my favorite styling accessories are claw clips. You can do so much with claw clips. You can take one big claw clip, grab some of the hair. I love doing just a little bit of a twist with the hair. And then just clip it right in place. And then do whatever you want with the rest of it. Make it big, messy, use peace out cream, use wig wax or not, whatever you want to do. One of my favorite looks with a heavily highlighted piece like this are multiple twists. So let me show you that. So I just take a little bit. Always harder to do these on camera. So do one little twist, grab a teeny tiny claw clip, get that there. Then let's do another little twist. Another teeny tiny little claw clip. They come in like every size you can imagine. And get that there. And you can, as long as you've got lace and can hide that cap, you can just keep right on going. Let me grab another teeny tiny little claw clip. And you can even take smaller amounts of hair and just work your way all the way down. Look at that. When you've got a highlighted piece, it really draws out those highlights as well. And then just do whatever you want with the rest of it. So the moral of the story, short wigs are super fun, super easy to style, and honestly super, super cool as I'm breaking out in a sweat in this hot bathroom. So if you run hot as well, this is a great solution to being hot, is get a short wig where the hair is off of your neck and then style it up as much as you can get the hair up, kind of off your face. That's really going to help a ton with it being even more cool. Off your face and off your neck. Let's see, can I maybe even stick a small little clip in the back? Maybe this will even work. That's one thing I love about Ignite with that length in the front. It gives you a lot of super fun styling options. So there, now I've got it really up off my face. I have no idea how this is looking. Not too bad. I'd have to kind of play with this right here where you can see, but kind of getting it down, you'd be able to hide those wefts. And then if you were worried about it going anywhere, a little wig wax all in that area will hold it in place. I mean, so different, right? From what we started with. So I want to encourage you guys. Let me get all of these out and let's get back to baseline. Style your wigs. Don't be afraid to play with your wigs. If you have wigs at home sitting in a box because it didn't work for you out of the box, you put it on because you saw a review from someone like me and you thought to yourself, oh my gosh, I love that, I'm getting that, and then as soon as you get it, it's not for you. Maybe you just need to style. Maybe you just need a headband or some claw clips. Woohoo! Or some styling spray. I really got that one messy, didn't I? Part of why it's doing this is because of that peace out cream. This stuff is potent. Not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. I mean, you can even, let's take that front, tuck it. I could stick a claw clip in there to hold it in place, or a bobby pin, and yet another look. It's really endless. So have fun with your wigs. Don't be afraid. You can do this. I know that you can do this. And I just hope that you will start to have as much fun as I have with wigs. Let me know what your favorite styling option is. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching.